In a world filled with challenges and setbacks, 2024 is your year to be grateful and celebrate all that you are. Welcome to Walk into 2024 with Grace. Join us for a transformative workshop where you will discover the power within you to overcome any obstacles that may come your way. We've all coped with a lot in 2023, but now is the time to turn the page. This workshop is your guide to navigating through life's uncertainties and finding strength within. Learn how to transform setbacks into stepping stones and embrace a mindset of gratitude. It is your year to shine. Feeling like you had no control in 2023? It is time to take charge. Discover simple tools that will help you to reclaim your life and empower yourself. Say goodbye to the past and walk into the new year with a renewed spirit, armed with the skills to navigate challenges and uncertainties. This is your chance for a fresh start. The quality of your life is intricately tied to the state of your emotions. Your stress affects those around you. Join our workshop to explore valuable tools that will not only help you to find joy and peace, but also positively impact your relationships. Imagine a life where you can radiate positivity regardless of the circumstances. Embrace the renewal of the new year with intentions that align with your true self. Join us as we walk into 2024 with grace and start your journey toward a more fulfilling life. It is time to be the best version of yourself. Register now and let the transformation begin.